The first awning that I want to cover today is the manual awning. Now the manual awning has a couple different versions, the first being the pull strap awning. Now to extend this, you're first going to come up here and unlatch it at the head assembly. Then you can extend it. Now the pull strap awning gets its drive from a spring that is installed inside the roll tube like that. Now the second version of the manual awning is the hybrid. The hybrid doesn't have the spring inside the roll tube. It has a set of gears inside the drive head here, and it's extended and retracted by this crank handle here. Now let's go ahead and take a look at our first electrically driven awning. Now, all powered awnings have some sort of electrical switch that allows you to extend and retract. Let me extend this out and show you a couple different unique features of the Edge awning. Inside the support arm, you'll see a channel here that's going to hide your electric wiring. That is unique to the Edge awning. And also you'll notice that it has a label that says Edge and that it's a 12-volt awning. Now let's go look at the 18-volt awning. Now the 18-volt awning is very unique in that it's plug and play. And what that means is that you don't have to wire it into the RV. It's actually battery powered. So let's take a look at those advantages. The first one here is your extend and retract switch. It's built into the mount arm. Let me show you how that works. We'll extend this out. Now, this is a 110 adapter, so all you have to do is plug it into a regular 110 outlet. There's no need to mount a switch and electrically wire this awning. All you have to do is install the mount arms and you're good to go. So your wiring here is routed through your mount arm, down your inner arm here, and up the outer arm to where your battery is installed here. So here we have our smart arm. Let's take a look at all the different ways that we can control it. So here we have our built-in control panel that will allow you to extend and retract, and some advanced features here like lighting, and if you have the wind sensor installed in the unit, you can adjust the sensitivity on the wind and it will retract automatically. Now, we also have our conventional extend and retract button here, and also you have your one control that is going to be installed inside the coach that you can control the awning.